Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys on a Jeep Cherokee track haul right quick. I want to show you guys if you got a Jeep like this and your water, how you can tell your water pump is weak. When you look down here, guys, I changed this before, but I don't know if it was new or not. But look at the shaft. Now watch this. I'll show you guys. Now watch this shake. See it shaking? See all that shaking going on there? Look at there. Shouldn't do that. See that? That's a weak water pump shaft, which is an easy fix. See there? Because I changed this one before. I don't know whether it was new or what. It's been so many years ago. But look here. When it shake like that, you got a weak water pump shaft. It ain't no big deal. Just change the water pump and you good. You know, it's just gonna make squealing noises until you change it, because the shaft is actually doing like this. Actually moving when it's running. Actually, I've been painting on this one. As y'all can see right there, it looks good too. Yeah, gotta do a little polishing it. But I painted, it was actually faded real bad. I painted the trim down here. So y'all gonna see the videos anyway. I painted this fender right here. How good that look. So yeah, I just want to share with y'all, when you got a weak water pump shaft, when you shake it like this, yeah, shouldn't move like that, see? It's got a weak shaft. Alright, hit that subscribe. Your boy's out. Peace.